Good afternoon. Hello, how are you? So, hope you are keeping safe and well, and thank you for joining me in today's YouTube session. And in today's session, I've got quite a few interesting questions which I will answer them. So, the first thing I would like to say a big thank you to everyone who has been joining in these sessions for the last month. It's been just over 30 days now since I started these YouTube lives, and it's just been absolutely amazing. I couldn't believe how exciting this is, and it is really given us a new dimension to our online marketing. The way our brand is growing, the community which is being built over here, although the numbers are small, that's fine because we start small and we keep building up and grow. I am highly encouraged by everybody's comments and the love they've been sending through YouTube and also by email, that they really enjoy these sessions and I should continue to do these. The challenges with going live stream with YouTube is, first of all, you need to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers. So that shouldn't put you off. In fact, it should inspire you to reach that goal or that number so that you too can start going live. However, you can go live on Facebook, Instagram, places like that, and get yourself used to it and a bit more experience and going live, because it is very simple on Facebook and Instagram where you just click a button and you go live, whereas on YouTube you need to have another third-party app which connects to your YouTube, and when it works wonderfully well. The challenging bit which has been the internet and the streaming issues, because I don't have a very good internet connection where I am. So we persevere and do our best as to what needs to be done.